Transforming the huge financial institution that BBVA is into a digital provider of knowledge-driven services is a complex process. We never stop innovating. And once more, we are breaking new ground. The world is changing, and so too are people. New rules, new regulations, new concepts of trust, the pressure of new high-tech competitors who can move flexibly, new needs, and therefore new relationships. All of this is shaping a new role of banking in society. Latest technologies are shifting the boundaries of production and distribution. Customers have changed, as have their requirements and the ways in which we reach them. This challenges us to create a new space of meaningful intersections of disciplines that can answer these new needs. And we've built that space to make it happen. A space where domain experts, banking specialists, data scientists, engineers, AI architects, and visual communicators share a unique vision. A space where this team is pioneering the real introduction of applied AI into our customers' day-to-day. But we don't start from scratch. We have traveled a long way, and the challenges we overcame make us confident of the road ahead. Likewise, as it happens with every new adventure, the biggest challenges are still to come, and we are excited to face them and make it all come true together. Welcome. This is the AI Factory.